Hello and welcome to another Enzo Demo Bite. Today we're going to be talking about statuses and how to get to zero inbox. Now this is something I'm really pushing for in this industry, and that is the idea of being able to have no messages in your inbox. And I know it sounds crazy because every day there's an influx of guests sending you questions and so on. The idea is that if you're not needing to answer anything, clear it out of your inbox. I'm going to show you a quick example. You probably have seen the different panel designs. We're going to focus on to-do, follow-up, and resolved. And the way it works is pretty simple. Let's say you get a message. I wanted to ask you if the pool has heating or not. Unfortunately, the pool is not heated. This conversation is resolved. So all I need to do here is click the resolve button. And now it disappears from my main inbox. Now, this conversation is still in the resolved inbox. It is still right here. I just moved it from to-do to resolved. And if it's not resolved, I can always unresolve it. And now it goes back into the to-do inbox. And so we'll find it right here. Or maybe I don't need to resolve it right now. There's something I need to double check with my manager first, or I need to check this with someone else on the team or an owner or someone. So what I can do is go ahead and click this snooze and say, you know what, I'll get back to this in 1 hour. It disappears from the to-do inbox, and now it moves into the follow-up inbox in 1 hour. So it'll be in this inbox, sorry, in follow-up right now, but it'll be in the to-do inbox in 1 hour. So it'll shift back into to-do in 1 hour's time. So right here, we've got the conversation, and of course, I can mark it as resolved, go back into my resolved state, see the inbox here, and unresolve it, and I'll see it in the to-do inbox. So pretty simple, but the idea is as soon as you're done with conversation, done with answering this, click on resolved, move on. Done with this conversation, click on resolved, move on. So really, all I have to do today is what is in my to-do. 7 days after a guest checks out, if there are no messages that are sent to the guest, the conversation will now automatically archive and go to archived messages. You can still go to archived messages and see all of those past archives, or you can see all of the conversations in your to-do. So again, really simple way of seeing all of those messages, and the idea is that you're moving quickly, we're moving quickly for you, and all you need to do is hit that resolve button and you're good to go. Or again, snooze in 1 hour, 4 hours tomorrow morning, or a custom time, date and time. That's about it. When you snooze a conversation, you can add a quick note. So if you say, hey, I'm gonna snooze for in 4 days or in 5 days, etc., you can add a little note and that note will appear in the notes section. We will be doing a separate demo bite on notes because that is an awesome and exciting feature. Stay tuned on that one. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to reach out.